Behind these numbers is a puzzle. Can you solve it? I plus V, IV. Lee plus G, Lee, Ivy League. If you can do that, you could win a brand new car as we play Classic Concentration. And here's the host of Concentration, Alex Trebek.
Thank you, Gene. Hello, everyone, and welcome again to our show. If you're regular fans of Classic Concentration, then you recognize the lady on my right. She returns to us. She was on yesterday's program. She picked up $1,665 in prizes. Her name is Carolyn Roski, and we're delighted to have her back with us. Good luck. Your hands are still cold today, and mine are warmer.
I run on the cold side.
Oh,
yeah.
You do?
Yeah, but it warms up after a little while.
After a little while. Okay, good luck to you today, Carolyn, against this newcomer, John Davis. Hello, John.
Hi, how are you?
I'm all right. Tell me about yourself.
Well, I just got out of graduate school. My wife and I are about to move up to Portland, Oregon, and moving from San Diego, so we're very excited.
You are one of these Californians who is going up there to upset the good people of Oregon. You know, they don't like all us Californians moving up there. They've got signs out, stay at home.
We're going to send property values up.
Yes. You graduated...
in December.
In what field?
Marketing, MBA.
MBA. Okay, so you're going to be working in business up there?
Yeah.
All right. You need some furniture and stuff, right?
Love some.
Okay, take a look over here, and we will show the two of you one of our fabulous prizes for this first game today.
Aloha! Moonlit nights and tropical delights await two of you on the beautiful island of Oahu. We'll fly you in a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to Honolulu. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll stay 6 nights at the Deluxe Hawaiian Regent, located near Diamond Head overlooking Waikiki Beach. You may enjoy fine dining, sports shopping, and special luxury touches furnished by the Hawaiian Regent. I'll be right there, Marjorie. Save a Mai Tai for me. Alex.
Compliment our lighting people on lighting Marjorie so beautifully. Having that fan, that weird-looking fan over her head, keeps her in shadows, but that's all right. She brightens up any room anyway. John and Carolyn, take a look at our board. We'll show you where you can find the Holiday in Hawaii at number 2. Remember where you saw it. You particularly, John, because you get to go first. You're the challenger today.
Okay. Let me start off by looking at number 14.
1-4. How about some men's swimwear in case you win the trip to Hawaii?
Great for that and for Oregon. Let me look at number 16 for the match.
Washer and dryer. That's great for Oregon.
Yeah.
Carolyn.
Hi, number 18.
Diamond topaz earrings.
Oh, yeah. Oh, number 5 for a match.
Doll collection. No match. John.
Okay, number 8, please.
Oak tables at number 8.
And let me look for the match under number 23.
Brass ceiling fan. No. Carolyn.
Let's find something. How about a wild card under number 4?
Well, we're going to find something there. Crystal candlesticks.
Number 1, please.
Diamond and topaz earrings. John.
Okay. 14.
Men's swimwear.
I like that.
Obviously,
and
you're a little short on shorts, are you?
Number 5 for the match, please.
No, it's a doll collection.
Okay, I think I saw those earrings under 18. And let's jump on up and make a match at number 1.
At last, we have a match in the first game. Up there for Carolyn. Down here, take a look.
Too early, Alex.
Yeah, no fooling, huh? All right, go again.
Okay. Okay, I'm going to take a spin around the board. Let's go over to number 25.
Crystal candlesticks. Where have we seen those?
Number 4, please.
Think so? You are right. Think so? Yes, indeed. 2 more panels opening up for Carolyn Roski. Pick again.
Okay, number 10, please.
Treadmill.
Number 17, please.
Got a little excited over a treadmill, didn't you?
Well, you don't have time to go to the gym when you have a baby, you know. You need that in-home setup.
What do? You put the little baby on the treadmill and you teach it to crawl real fast? I'd do that. I'd set it at 9, though, and put it on a steep incline. Drive the kid crazy. Let's take a look at the other treadmill.
Okay, great.
Number 22. Let's open 3 panels for Carolyn.
Okay.
Select again, Carolyn.
Okay, number 9, please.
Honolulu.
Number 16, please.
No, that's the washer and dryer. John, do you remember where we...
I do.
Oh, I hope I do. Let me look for that under number 11.
No.
It was close, though.
Close, yes. It's on the board.
And, and the match for the take under number 24.
Red take.
Here we
Carolyn,
go.
here is
Ow.
your
I
great
know.
opportunity.
It just came back to me, Alex. Number 9.
That's Honolulu.
And let's go to Hawaii with number 2.
Let's go to Hawaii with
I
number...
was going to remember it.
Only you forgot your way of remembering.
Yeah, it
The
came back.
methodology was lost somewhere.
Yeah.
Well,
Okay.
we hope that you get to enjoy this vacation. You
Me
have
too.
to win this game, of course, because you have 1 strike against you.
Yeah.
Let's open the 2 panels for you, Carol.
Okay. Number 11, please.
Green take.
14. Oh, that's this.
14, she
Yeah,
said.
the
That's the
Speedos.
men's
I really like that.
spinwear.
I'll look under number 21, please.
That's a washer and dryer.
And number 16, please.
There's a washer and dryer. John wanted that washer and dryer.
Yeah, I need that. We need that.
Needs it. Open it up. Go again.
Okay, let me look under number 19, please.
Wild card. Good news.
Gosh, let me look for number 23, please.
Brass ceiling fan.
Right.
That'll go very nicely in your new home up there in
Yeah.
Portland. The other brass ceiling fan at number 13. 3 panels opening up for our challenger, John Davis. Pick again.
Okay, number 5, please.
Doll collection.
Doll collection. And number 3, please.
Doll collection. Way to go. Good match. Open it up.
My daughter will love that.
Pick again.
Okay, number 20, please.
Still a wild card on the board. That's not it. We have oak tables. We've seen
And
them.
number 12.
I don't think we saw them there. No. Carolyn.
Number 6, please.
6 is a wild card.
I'll take number 15, please.
Well, 15 is a green take, and she took it. The other green take is at 11. He's got a washer, a dryer, a ceiling fan, and a doll collection. Don't take the doll collection because he wants that for his little girl in case he wins the
Okay,
game.
I'll take the washer dryer.
I knew you would. The washer and dryer for Carolyn, and 3 panels opening up for this lady. Pick again.
Oh, I think I know it. Number 24, please.
Red
And
take.
number 12 for a match?
Yes. He's got the ceiling fan and the dolls. Don't take the dolls. He wants them in case he wins the game. You can take them. You can do anything you want.
I want the dolls.
Well, then take the dolls.
I'll take the dolls.
Because right now, his odds of winning are slim and none. Because I have a feeling Carolyn is about to solve this puzzle. Let's open the 2 panels.
Okay, I'm going to take a guess. Is it the power of positive thinking?
Looks like it. The power of positive thinking. Yes. I tried to save those dolls for you, John, but it just wasn't working. Come on, Carolyn, let's go to the board.
Oh, you bet.
All right, do it.
Okay, it's the power of, and I knew this part, but what was going on down here, I didn't know. Paw,
That's
I
a
thought
head.
it was a bus.
Paw's
okay, Paw's
head.
head. thinking. The power of positive thinking.
Way to go. All right, John, one strike against you only. You've lost one game. That means you'll get to compete again in a little bit. Right now, we'll take you off stage, and we will keep Carolyn here and tell her all about the many, many prizes she's just won. Gene.
Crystal candlesticks, a treadmill, and a doll collection. The Lee Middleton Original Doll Collection. 4 beautiful dolls, including First Moments of Sleep, The Christening, Bubba Chubb's Railroader, and Angel Face. Furnished by Middleton Doll Company. And diamond topaz earrings. Part of Kay Jewelers' classic collection, these brilliant blue topaz earrings are accented with 12 diamonds and set in 14-karat gold, furnished by Kay Jewelers. And a washer and dryer. The RCA Extra Large Capacity Washer features programmed washing, variable water level control, and special delicate wash cycle. The matching RCA dryer automatically senses when clothes are dry. It also features an adjustable end-of-cycle signal and easy-to-clean lint filter furnished by RCA. And, of course, the beautiful Honolulu, Hawaii. And, Carolyn, these prizes are worth a hefty number, $5,266.
Big win for you, Carolyn. I'm glad you're excited. Driving our camera people crazy, though. You dropped right out with a shot and then jumped in. We'll be back to play the car game after this. Carolyn was excited then. Watch her if she wins a brand new car. Let's go to work. 15 numbered squares, 5 seconds added to base time, so you've got 40 seconds with which to work. Carolyn, good luck. Off you go.
1, 6.
No.
7, 3.
No.
4, 9.
No.
10, 6.
No.
4, 10.
Right.
7, 11.
No.
15. 2.
No.
11. 2.
Yes.
1. 15.
Right.
13. 6.
No.
5. 6.
No.
5. 13.
Right.
7. 9.
No.
7. 3.
No.
6. 8.
You're 2 cars short. But that's all right. I love your pattern.
Oh, it isn't one.
I know it isn't one. That's why I love it. But you won $6,931 in prizes, and you're going to play again after this break. Welcome back. Because each of our contestants has lost a game. That's what the X's indicate. This will be the last game for one of you. So I wish you both good luck. I want you to start thinking positive thoughts, like Marjorie, for instance.
Oh, by the way, Alex, Marjorie's tied up, so we can get some of the cake. Delivered monthly for 12 months, a delicious variety of freshly handmade, hand-packed all-natural cakes, furnished by Miss Grace Lemon Cake Company. Alex.
It is fantastic, even with her mouth taped up and her body wrapped in rope. John and Carolyn, look on our board. We'll show you where the cakes monthly for a year can be found at number 24. A Catskill Mountain Vacation is one of the prizes in this game as well. And we have $500 in the cash pot, John, and you start us off, please.
Okay, let me look under number 13, please.
Dead center. His and her diamond watches. Beautiful prize.
Love to have that. The match for that under number 6.
Red take, no match. Carolyn.
The corner, number 5, please, Alex.
That's a corner. Luggage.
Well, let's swoop on down to number 19.
Swoop?
Yeah.
We're swooping down into a green take. John.
Okay, let me look under number 17, please.
Stereo. Where do you want to swoop to?
I would like to swoop on up to number 2 for the match.
Good place to go, but it's no match. We have carpeting there. Carolyn?
Number 22, please.
Red take.
And number 11?
Catskill Mountain Vacation.
Sorry.
Missed a match there. John?
Okay, let me look under number 6, please.
Red take.
And number 22, please.
There it is. That's the match. There's a little insurance for you later on. Open these 2 panels for John Davis. Go again.
Let me look under number 19, please.
Green take.
And under number 14 for the match.
No, there's carpeting. Carolyn.
Number 19?
Green take.
And number 14.
No, carpeting.
Oh.
John.
Okay, let me look under number 2, please.
Carpeting.
And number 14 for the match.
Carpeting. Let's do it again. Swing them open.
Still
Pick
not
again.
yet. Okay, number 15, please.
Cash pot.
Oh, I could use the cash. And number 25, please.
Cash pot. Good move. Good intuitive selection. Let's see what happens when we open these two doors.
No, still no clue.
All right, select again.
Number 18, please.
Luggage.
And number 3 for the match, please.
3? Nope.
No.
Those are the diamond watches. Carolyn may be able to make a match.
Number 9, please.
Catskill Mountain Vacation.
Number 11, please. Yeah.
Catskill Mountain Vacation. Gosh, that's terrific. Good prize for you. Take a look at the puzzle now, Carolyn.
Not enough there yet.
All right, keep going.
Number 4, please.
10-speed bikes for 2.
All
Gives you
right.
20 speeds, I guess.
Oh, okay, I get my partner and go. Number 17, please.
Stereo, no match. John.
Okay, let me look into number 7, please.
Video camera.
Ooh, yeah. Number 10, please.
10-speed bikes for 2. Carolyn.
I think we said that under number 4, please.
Yeah.
And number 10 for the
There's a
match.
match, yes. Another prize for your column. Another chance to solve the puzzle. Select.
Okay, number 8, please.
Cakes monthly for a year.
Oh, I believe that was under number 24, Alex.
Cakes monthly for a year. You're on a roll right now.
If I take it and get on my bike.
That's it. Open it up for her. Pick again. Whoa, there's the bell. Won't get a chance to use the take. Hands on your signaling buttons. You can ring in when the green light comes on, and the green light usually comes on when we reveal the first of our squares. And we'll start with number 1, 3, 5, 7, 12, 13, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20. 21, 23. Carolyn.
Is it a year in the life?
Is it a year in the life? Yes, it is. It's kind of a toughie. Strange looking symbols. Carolyn, let's go to the board. You get to explain it now. You did a good job there.
Here's a hey, year, oh, excuse me. Hey, Y plus the ear, year, hen, the, eye of the needle, life. Hey, year in the life.
You forgot to talk about the L.
Oh, did I know?
Yeah,
I'm
do it
sorry.
again.
It's nerves, Alex. Okay, here we go. A, because it's hey, A. Y plus ear, a year. Hen, the, L plus I plus F, life.
That's
a year in the
it.
life.
That's it. All right. John, bad news for you, of course. 2 strikes, 2 games lost, so we have to say goodbye. But
That's
thank you for
okay.
being
Had a
with
great
us.
time, Caroline. You're going to win.
All righty.
Thanks for
See
being
ya.
such a good guy.
All right, Carolyn, let's find out about your prizes. Gene.
10-speed bikes for 2 and a Catskill Mountain Vacation. We'll fly you and a companion from Los Angeles aboard Delta Airlines to New York City. You may visit the exclusive Crown Room Lounge before boarding, and while in flight, experience warm and friendly hospitality furnished by Delta Airlines. And you'll spend 6 nights at the Gold Mountain Chalet Resort in New York State's Catskill Mountains. Relax in your own mountainside chalet with a wood-burning fireplace and hot tub. Furnished by Gold Mountain Chalet. And, of course, the delicious Cakes Monthly for a year. A prize package totaling $2,973.
And you just know she's going to win a brand new car when we come back. Carolyn's ready to start doing this. 15 numbered squares. Let's go to work. 45 seconds on the clock. Good luck. Off you go. Make it happen.
1, 3,
No.
4, 6,
No.
7, 3,
No.
4, 9,
Yes.
1, 11,
No.
10, 8,
No.
3, 15,
No.
7, 14, 10, 3, oh God,
No.
2, 11, 14, 12,
Yep.
13, 3,
Yes.
2, 10, 8, 2,
Yep.
1, 10. Go so fast. I can't believe I didn't do it.
Well, maybe if you had stood one step further back, you wouldn't have had to do this throughout the whole thing. But that's okay. You've got $9,900 in prizes.
Hey, that's wonderful.
Yeah, you're going on. We'll go away. But we'll be back.
Some of today's participants may receive Gold's Gym, a choice of his or her famous sportswear, footwear, nutritional supplements, and membership certificate to help keep you healthy, trim, and in style, furnished by Gold's Gym. We'll be back to Classic Concentration in just a moment.
See you again tomorrow. So long.
This is Gene Wood speaking for Classic Concentration, a Mark Goodson television production.